Hi, my name's Louisa and I'm going to show you how to make some beautiful gifts for friends and family. We're going to be making terrariums. For this project you will need glass vases, some potting mix, charcoal, decorative sand, crushed rock, plants and your gardening tools, including gloves, a spoon, a trowel, a funnel and lastly a spray bottle. You may have seen terrariums in gift shops or in florists. They're so amazing, they look beautiful and they're so easy to make. So the first step in making a terrarium is to choose your glassware. So for my terrarium, I'm going to be using this vase. With this one, you'll actually get to see the different layers that I'll be using. So to start with my base, I'm going to grab my sand and my trusty funnel. The reason why I use a funnel is so that the product goes straight down to the bottom of my vase and not on the sides of the glass. So pebbles are great in a terrarium because they assist with drainage. For our next layer, we're going to be using charcoal and potting mix. Charcoal's great for absorbing any bacteria, but it's also great for any odours that may happen in your terrarium. The other thing is we always use a good potting mix that is suitable for the plants that you're placing in your terrarium. Now that we're finished with our soil layer, it's time to put our plants in. Now all my plants are in, it's just time to decorate a little bit on the top. There you have it, a beautiful little terrarium. You can give it as a gift or keep it for yourself.